Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today we're going to talk about why it's a good idea to connect all your other services to Microsoft 365. So here's the thing. Microsoft has invested a lot of time and money into building a good login experience for users. It includes a lot of security processes. It has conditional access, it has multi-factor authentication, and it's one place with Azure AD, or now called Entra ID. It's one directory that controls access for all things and people in the organization. What that does is it gives you one point of contact. So for example, when you need to onboard somebody, you onboard them into Microsoft 365, which creates the account in Entra ID. And then once that account gets created, people will get access to all these other applications. So the only thing people need to know is how to log into Microsoft 365 or Entra ID, which is the same thing. Once they log in there, they can connect to all their services. Matter of fact, you can actually populate third-party applications within Entra ID. So you can have like a launch pad where people can go to launch all these applications. You don't have to go around creating additional accounts in all these other applications, implementing MFA in other applications, all this other stuff. We do this internally as well. A lot of our tools require high security. So what we've done is we've connected it to Microsoft 365, which has MFA enabled for all of our accounts. And then on top of that, we've implemented conditional access. So in addition to MFA, you can have conditional access policies within Entra ID where you can set certain specifications, like, if a user is trying to log in from a country other than their specified geolocation, don't allow it. Simply don't allow that login. So it catapults your security, makes it so many times better than what it would be in any other system, or maintaining individual accounts in multiple applications. The other thing is Microsoft's secure score. So Microsoft will automatically run assessment on your environment and tell you where your secure score is. And what's important here is to make sure that it's trending in the right direction. So now we can get an overview of security for all of the applications that people use, because they're all tied into Microsoft 365, which is driven by Entra ID, which has conditional access, MFA. And when a user leaves the company, we just have to block them in one place and it's done. So that's how larger enterprise are controlling a bunch of accounts in their directories, is tied to one directory and then keep tight control over that one directory, and everything else uses information in that directory. So if you haven't implemented something like that in your environment, if you haven't implemented single sign-on for all your applications with Entra ID and need help with that, reach out to us. If you like this video, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe. Maybe if there's enough interest, I will give you a demo on how to integrate third-party applications with Entra ID and implement that tight security around all your third-party applications. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.